You lean in for a conversation, and someone quietly steps back. You try to act normal, but deep down that moment stings. Because bad breath isn't just about smell, it's about confidence. I know that feeling too. You check your breath with your hand, hoping it's not as bad as you think. But people notice, even when you can't. And the worst part? You brush, you rinse, you chew mints, yet it keeps coming back. For years, I thought it was my habits, my food, maybe coffee. But the truth is, bad breath often starts deeper, with the tiny bacteria living inside your mouth. They hide on your tongue and gums, feeding on leftover food and releasing sulfur compounds that smell like rotten eggs. Scientists discovered this decades ago, and yet most people still don't know it, because most solutions only mask the problem. They don't fix it. They fight the smell, not the cause. Then I found something that changed everything. Dentists and researchers discovered that the real key isn't killing all bacteria, it's balancing them. Your mouth has good bacteria too. They protect your gums, teeth, and even your breath. When that balance breaks, bad breath begins. And that's when I tried something new. A natural oral probiotic supplement called ProDentim. It's not a mouthwash or spray. It's a simple supplement that supports your oral microbiome, helping the good bacteria thrive again. That balance keeps your breath fresh and your gums healthy, naturally. Honestly, I didn't expect much at first, but after a few days I noticed a difference. My mouth felt cleaner, even hours after brushing. That constant bad taste I used to wake up with, gone. And for the first time in years, I could actually talk close to people without worrying. ProDentim isn't a quick-fix chemical. It's a natural science-backed formula designed to restore your mouth's healthy bacteria. It helps from the inside out, where most products can't reach. Bad breath doesn't have to control you. It doesn't have to make you hide or lose confidence. Sometimes the solution isn't another rinse. It's giving your mouth the support it truly needs. If you've been struggling with bad breath, gum issues, or even that sticky mouth feeling, you might want to look into what worked for me. I've left the same ProDentim supplement link I use in my channel bio. Check it out after this video. No hype, no pressure, just something that actually helped me when nothing else did. Because the truth is, fresh breath isn't just about smell, it's about freedom. Freedom to smile, talk, and connect without fear. And once you get that back, it changes everything.